Hello my friend, I'm Dennis Wang. Welcome to Autom Pack. Today I'm going to introduce you the small chicken powder automatic vertical packing machine behind me. The model number of this machine is ATM 320D, economical, multifunctional, and easy to operate. This machine can make multiple sealing bag tabs, pill seal, 3-size seal, 4-size seal, gaseous seal, pyramid seal. Optional equipment can be date coding device, nitrogen gas filling device, or parching device, gaseous bag device, continuous bag device, etc. The packing range 5 to 500 grams hot products. The frame of the machine is made of stainless steel, which is durable and clean. All the contact with the part of this machine is 304 stainless steel, which means the hygienic standard of food TS. This machine is suitable for packing wheat flour, coffee powder, chili powder, chicken powder, milk powder, etc. Look at this part. It's a film roll device. It's easy to install film roll. We can use laminated film on this machine, like this color film and clear film. Look at this part. It is a color mark sensor. It can track the color mark on the film automatically to make it diagnose. Look at this part. It is a ribbon coding machine. It can print production date, expire date, lot numbers. Let's take a look at this overfiller. It's driven by multiple features of stable, reliable, and easy adjustment. It measures the target weight of the powder. Here is the bag former, made of 304 stainless steel. The packaging film is poured into this bag former by friction. The packaging is simple and beautiful with a human-like design. Different bag making equipment can be replaced according to different bag weights. One machine can pack bags of various weights. Here is a vertical sealing device, horizontal sealing device with the cutter. Color mark accurate positioning system avoids sticking blades and wasting materials. We also customize the gas filling device and continuous bag device. Here is Smart PLC touchscreen, convenient, quick, and easy to understand. The touchscreen can store 8 packaging process parameters of many different products. Also, it can be used at any time when changing products. Mechanical fault display system can help troubleshooting and reduce manual operation. It's PID, independent temperature control system. The left one is for vertical sealing device. Another one is for air sealing device. Independent temperature control system keeps accurate temperature, ensures sealing beautiful and smooth. Here are all buttons on the main packing machine. The main power, the stop one, the emergency stop one, the start one button. Let's check the electrical parts of the main packing machine. All component parts are well-known beyond the past, which is durable and guaranteed. Let's run the machine to show you how it works. watching my video today. See you!